Hello friends, I am Professor Rahul Nikam and our today's topic is History of Packaging. Packaging. So now let's start with basics of packaging and definition of packaging. So first definition of packaging is the science, art and technology of enclosing or protecting products for distribution, storage, sale and use also. Second one is packaging is may be defined as safe delivery of product to the ultimate customer at minimum overall cost. Third one is the packaging is coordinated system of preparing goods for transport, distribution, storage and retailing is called as packaging. The main function of packaging is to protect the. So now what is packaging? Packaging includes all those activities of designing and producing the container for a product. It helps to identify the product. It gives maximum convenience to the users, means it is easy to handle. It is promotional tool, helps in increasing sales. Package is the first salesman of a product. So now we are discussing about the eras of packaging, means history of packaging. The first era is olden age, second one is middle age and third era is modern age, which are we are living in this modern age era. So olden age packaging as a concept grew out of the basic need for early humanity to store and transport their food from one place to another place. While there is no record of when the first packaging material were used, but historians believe that during the nomadic hunter gathered days, the materials such as leaves are used for store nuts and gouts, and an animal skin were used to store and transport a drinking water. Packaging is although the subject of recent technological advancement. The art of packaging is as old as primitive humans uses leaves for wrapping of nuts, animal skin for storage water. As the time passes, continuous growth due to technological advancement in printing and packaging has undergoes tremendous changes as long with printing and packaging industry have growth in large extended throughout the world. So second point is middle age packaging. The middle age saw and rise popularity in using wooden barrels and wooden boxes as storage and transportation device. Barrels were typically used for traveling across ocean to store items such as rum, dry fruits and fresh water. Packages were originally designed by merchants who have sell their products. The packaging can be traced to around 1550, about the time of the printing presses were developed. Mostly in these dates, paper were developed and used as a packaging material. So now we are discuss about modern age of packaging. Fast forwarded to the industrial revolution, this era gave way to measure technological advancement as a demand for a better quality packaging increase. This demand for quality was fueled by sudden surge in new products that were now available for masses to consumer. However, it should be noted that many of the packaging material that arose in this era were expensive, meaning that the use of these material were typically reserved for storing and transporting luxurious goods. The end of 18th century brought two inventions that made possible the modern packaging industry. First one is paper making machine and second one is lithography. In later 19th century that and independent industry were developed is called as packaging industry. In 19th century manufacture were started using more decorative packages to save their product to reach end users. The development of plastic material for packaging and invention of flexography together with the gravure and offset have dramatically changed packaging industries. Broadly, packaging can be divided into three groups. First is flexible packaging, second is rigid packaging, and third one is semi rigid packaging. Thanks for listening. Thank you. Thank you so much.